Hey Valley Middle, welcome back to 12.4b, day 2. We would normally be quizzing today, but I'm going to stretch this target out one more day. I know it's difficult, and we're really trying to work for mastery here. So your DDD work for today will just be one problem, a review problem. There's no need to upload that. Your primary thing you'll be doing today is working on a Schoology activity. It's called 12.4b quiz prep, and that activity will have 6 problems on it that you'll work through. Let's get going with the review for today. What is the surface area of this prism here? Give it a shot. And if you can't figure it out, at least think of what shapes does it take to make up that prism. Let's take a look. Well, you're going to have the most obvious, you're going to have these 2 parallelograms on the sides here. And so I drew those 2 parallelograms here. And the parallelogram, the area of a parallelogram is measured by the base times the height. So here's 2.8 is the base times 2.5. That gives me 7 for here. And then on this side over here, this is the other side. Here's this side and then the side over on this other side, the far side. The 2 parallelogram bases, those are both 7. So now the rest of them, these are all rectangles. So let's just start up on the top here. So this one here is going to be 2.8 wide, and it's going to be times 3.5. You can see the 3.5 right here. So 2.8 times 3.5. Pop that into the calculator. You've got 9.8. Well, there's a top to it, and there's a bottom to it. So there's my other 9.8 rectangle right there. Then we have the 2 sides. Save the easiest for last. These are 3 times 3.5. 3 times 3.5 is 10.5. So here's one side at 10.5. Here's the other side at 10.5. Add those all up together. 10.5 plus 10.5 plus 7 plus 7 plus 9.8 plus 9.8. Those 6 faces together gives you a surface area of 54.6 meters squared. You're not going to have to do a parallelogram type of prism today, but you are going to have to do these starred ones. So you're going to have, I believe you're going to have 3 of each. Here's 1 triangular prism, 2 triangular prisms, and here's the 3rd triangular prism down here at the bottom where I'm hiding it. And then you're going to have 1 trap, 2 trap, 3 traps. So to help you think about how this is going to be, and again, these are all in Schoology activities, so you'll have 5 attempts to try to do them. Let's just take a look. Once again, those of you who are ready to go ahead and shut it off and start. But here's what a triangular prism is going to have. It's going to have 2 triangular bases, and it's going to have 3 rectangles. Okay. A trapezoidal prism is going to have 2 rectangular bases, and then it's going to have 4 different parallel rectangles. So let me just put these all in here and how I got them. It's here somewhere. I think the answer is down at the bottom. There we go. So you can take a look at those 2 if you're not sure what shapes to draw out. But on the instructions, I just said make sure you draw out the shapes for each of them. Look at the shape, figure out what the measurements are, multiply them together on the calculator, and then go ahead and find the area, the surface area. All right, thanks. Good luck today.